May I ask you some questions about your personal hobbies?
Oh, sure, go ahead.
Firstly, about music. Do you like music?
Oh, yes, of course, I like it very much.
Do you usually listen to music?
Oh, yes, I do. I usually listen to music.
How often do you listen to music?
Every day, I listen to music every day.
Every day?
Yes,
What time do you usually listen to music?
at 5 o'clock. I usually listen to music at 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
At 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh, no.
At, at 5 o'clock in the afternoon?
Yes,
How long does it take you to listen to music each day?
about 2 hours. It takes me about 2 hours to listen to music each day.
About 2 hours?
Pardon?
About 2 hours?
No, about 2 hours.
About 2 hours?
Yes,
Uh, um, who do you usually listen to music with?
alone. I usually listen to music alone.
Alone?
Yes,
What kind of songs do you like best?
pop songs. I like pop songs best.
Pop songs?
Yes,
Where do you usually listen to music?
in my room. I usually listen to music in my room.
In your room?
Yes,
When do you usually listen to music?
when I'm free. I usually listen to music when I'm free.
When you're free?
Yes,
How do you usually listen to music?
on my laptop. I usually listen to music on my laptop.
On your laptop?
Yes,
Do you prefer English songs, Vietnamese songs, or Korean songs?
English songs. I prefer English songs.
English songs?
Yes,
Which songs do you like best?
Cross and Home. I like Cross and Home best.
Cross and home?
Yes,
Do you think that listening to music while studying is a good idea?
no, I don't. I don't think that listening to music while studying is a good idea.
Why don't you think that listening to music while studying is a good idea?
Because it distracts me from my studying.
Thank you.
You're welcome.